Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another topic under environmental studies and environmental laws. Today's topic is hunting of wildlife animals. We will discuss the provisions provided under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The list of topics to be covered here are introduction, hunting of wildlife animals, provisions related to it under the Act, which is Section 9, 11 and Section 12. Wildlife Protection Act 1972 provides for the protection of the country's wild animals, birds, and plant species in order to ensure environmental and ecological security. Among other things, the Act lays down restrictions on hunting many animal species. The hunting of wild animals, Chapter 3 deals with the provisions related to it. Section 9 lays down the general rule of prohibition of hunting of wildlife animals. Section 11 deals with the hunting of wildlife animals which is permitted in certain cases. Section 12 deals with the grant of permit for the special purposes of hunting of wildlife animals. Section 9. Section 9 states that no person shall hunt any wild animal specified in the Schedule 1, 2, 3 and 4 except as provided under Section 11 and Section 12. Animals which are mentioned in Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4 covers endangered species, animals required high protection and non-endangered species. Section 11 talks about the Chief Wildlife Warden may, if he is satisfied that any wild animal specified in Schedule 1, which talks about endangered animals, which has become dangerous to human life and is so disabled or diseased as to be beyond recovery, he may by order in writing and stating the reasons therefor permit any person to hunt such animal or cause such animal to be hunted. It also provides that no wild animal shall be ordered to be killed unless the Chief Wildlife Warden is satisfied that such animal cannot be captured, tranquilized, and translocated. Provided further that no such captured animal shall be kept in captivity unless the Chief Wildlife Warden is satisfied that such animal cannot be rehabilitated in the wild and the reasons for the same are recorded in writing. The Chief Wildlife Warden or the authorized officer may, if he is satisfied that any wild animal specified in the Schedule 2, 3 and 4 has become dangerous to human life or to property, including standing crops on any land, or is so disabled or diseased as to be beyond recovery, by order in writing and stating the reasons therefore, permit any person to hunt such animal or group of animals in a specified area or cause such animal or group of animals in that specified area to be hunted. The killing or wounding in good faith of any wild animal in defense of oneself or of any other person shall not be an offense, provided that nothing in this subsection shall exonerate any person who, when such defense becomes necessary, was committing any act in contravention of any provision of this act, or any rule or any order made thereunder. Any wild animal killed or wounded in defense of any person shall be government property. Section 12. It shall be lawful for the Chief Wildlife Warden to grant a permit by an order in writing stating the reasons therefor to any person on payment of such fees as may be prescribed, which shall entitle the holder of such permit to hunt, subject to such conditions as may be specified therein, any wild animal specified in such permit for the purpose of education, scientific research, scientific management, collection of specimens, derivation, collection or preparation of snake venom for the manufacture of life-saving drugs, provided that no such permit shall be granted in respect of any wild animal specified in Schedule 1 except with the previous permission of the central government and state government.